In this quick video, we're going to show you how to install a peel-off lens to your Z-Link. First, you want to start by opening the visor and then releasing the two clips that hold the visor together on the sides to allow that to separate. With the visor now separated, we can now take our peel-off lens and remove the double-sided tape to allow it to stick onto your Z-Link lens. With that lens now ready to stick on, you'll notice that there's a locator down the bottom of the lens that'll position over the locator on the Z-Link jaw. Start by lining that up at the bottom and then allow the visor to wrap around, ensuring there's no creases or air pockets. With that now taped on, you can then close the frame by facing the helmet away from you and using your thumbs to close the visor and your fingers to hold the top of the lens in to make sure that that latches and seals shut at the top. Before you close the visor, you want to make sure that the two clips have clipped and latched into position correctly at the bottom. And that is how to install a peel-off lens to your Z-Link.